Cubs fans all around the country were elated when they saw their team win their first World Series title since 1908. The scene at Wrigleyville in Chicago was crazy as fans came out in droves to celebrate the victory. ESPN reports a few fans even climbed a wall and snuck onto Wrigley Field. Celebrity fans like Bill Murray popped the cork in the clubhouse with the team, and Murray even got a champagne shower from Theo Epstein. But best of all, elderly fans like the 108-year-old Hazel Nilsson, who've waited their whole lives to see the Cubs win a World Series, finally got a chance to experience the long-awaited joy.